Hello, in this lecture we'll be learning how to do the running stitch. You can see we had drawn this dotted line. This will serve as a guideline to do the running stitches on this one. For this stitch I am using a 3-strand thread. You can use 6 strands also. We'll bring the needle up from the starting point and insert the needle down to the second point, to the second dot. Come up from the next dot, pull the thread till the end and insert the needle back to the next dot and again pull the thread to the end. We will continue doing this till we don't reach the end of the line. Running stitch serves as the foundation stitch for many other stitch variations. Running stitch is also known as the basting stitch, where 2 or 3 layers are stitched together. We'll take the last stitch over here by bringing the needle up and take a stitch ahead and finish off this stitch. Let's flip around and see how does the back side looks like. So the back side also gives me the running stitch as we see in the front. We will tie a knot at the end of the stitch to avoid the stitches from opening. You can just do a very simple knot. Create a loop, bring the needle within the loop, take the knot till the end of the stitch, place a finger and pull the thread. Cut the thread close by to the knot. Here we have finished learning how to do running stitch.